In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect IC markets to TradingView. So the first step is to go to TradingView, then we just have to open the trading panel and then simply search for IC markets. Then we just have to click on this. Now, as you can see, we have different brokerages. So we have this one here, then we have the Australian one and the European one. So you just have to choose any of these. Then we just have to click on connect. Now, after we do that, we're gonna get redirected here where we're gonna have to enter our email and password and click on log in. Now, if you don't have an account, you just have to click on these two links. Now, if you want, you can open a demo account where you can trade with fake money, so you can learn how to trade before investing your own money, or you can simply open a real account and start trading right away with your own money. So basically that's how you can connect IC markets to TradingView. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.